Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to the DaSpiritual Bombs channel. How are you feeling right now? Take a breath, let your shoulders drop, and simply notice where you are emotionally, physically, spiritually. The holidays can be so full: joy, stress, memories, chaos. This video is your little sanctuary to reset, ground, and reclaim calm no matter what life is swirling around you. Let's take a deep breath together. Breathe in through your nose, hold it, and now exhale out through your mouth. Repeat as many times as you like. In this video, I will show you some techniques and rituals you can do just about anywhere to help you get through this holiday season. These rituals aren't just aesthetic or self-care trends. They are survival tools for people who feel like they have to be strong for everyone all the time. If you're the emotional anchor in your family, the one people drain and rarely refill, this video is for you. These practices give your nervous system a chance to exhale so you don't burn out trying to hold everybody else. Together, let's begin with simple grounding rituals. You can pause this video anytime and move at your own pace. First, we'll start with the breath. Grounding breath tells your nervous system you are safe right now. It's one of the fastest ways to calm anxiety, overwhelm, or racing thoughts. Sit comfortably, and if it feels okay, gently close your eyes. Inhale through your nose for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for a soft pause. Exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's repeat 3 more times, counting slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for a soft pause. Exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's breathe together again. Inhale through your nose for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for a soft pause. Exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When you lengthen your exhale, you literally tell your body, we're not in danger right now. It moves you out of fight or flight and into a calmer state where you can think and choose instead of just react. Notice what shifts. Maybe your shoulders drop, your jaw unclenches, or your heart rate slows down. Even 1 minute of intentional breathing can reset your body's stress response and bring you back into the present moment. Now let's move into a grounding tea ritual. This is mindfulness you can drink. This kind of sensory focus, warmth, smell, taste, is called grounding. It helps pull you out of spiraling thoughts and back into the present moment, which is especially helpful if you've lived with chaos, anxiety, or trauma. Grab some herbal tea or warm water. As it steeps, notice the tiny details. The sound of the water pouring, the steam rising from the cup, the color deepening as the tea infuses. Wrap your hands around the cup, feel the warmth on your palms and fingertips. Silently decide what you want this tea to represent: calm, comfort, courage, release. With each sip, imagine that intention moving through your body like a gentle hug for your spirit. You can do this anytime, before work, after a hard conversation, or when the holidays feel like too much. The tea becomes a tiny ritual that tells your body, we're slowing down now. Calm isn't just an idea. It's something we can build with simple tools and intention. Warm water plus scent and intention works like a reset button. It relaxes tight muscles and gives your mind a simple, repetitive focus so it can stop replaying every argument, bill, or worry for a few minutes. Our portable ritual kit and bath salts are designed to support everything we just practiced. What's inside? Travel-sized room cleansing spray, 2 ounces, infused with essential oils for energetic clearing. Fresh start, eucalyptus, lemon, tea tree clears, stagnant energy, refreshes your space, and lifts your mood. Mini crystal, portable anchor for grounding and protection. Muslin travel, keeps your spray and crystal together for easy travel. Pre-written affirmation card, reinforces your intention and energy alignment. How to use: spray your room, workspace, or hotel room to cleanse stagnant energy. Keep the mini crystal nearby for grounding and protection. Read your affirmation card as desired to set your intention. For bath rituals, fill your tub or foot bath with warm water. Sprinkle in a handful of bath salts, swirling them with intention. As you soak, picture stress dissolving into the water. You can repeat a mantra like, I am safe, I am calm, I am held. You can pause this video, journal quietly after your bath, or just rest and receive. There is no wrong way to do this, only your way. Not everyone has a quiet room, a big tub, or supportive people around them. Maybe you share space, maybe you're a caregiver, maybe your family thinks all this is silly. So here are real-life alternatives you can use when privacy is a luxury. Bathroom micro ritual. Lock the bathroom door for 2 minutes, sit on the edge of the tub or toilet, close your eyes, and do 3 grounding breaths. Nobody needs to know that's your sacred space. Headphones ritual. Put on calming sounds or brown noise in your earbuds. While everyone else is watching TV or talking, you focus on your breath or trace slow circles on your palm with your thumb. That small motion can be your signal, I'm grounding. Car or bus sanctuary. If you drive or ride, turn the car into your mini temple. Before you go in the house, sit for 1 minute with your eyes closed, one hand on your chest, one on your belly, and breathe. Closet or corner altar. Even a tiny corner with a candle, stone, or picture can be your grounding point. When you pass it, take 1 breath and silently say, I'm still here, I still matter. These videos aren't about pretending life is peaceful. They're about giving you tools when life is not peaceful, when money is tight, family is loud, grief is fresh, or you feel invisible in your own house. Grounding is a way of saying to yourself, even if no one else notices how hard this is for me, I will. I will show up for me, even if I have to do it in 2-minute pockets between everyone else's needs. During the holidays, you're allowed to say no, take breaks, walk away for 5 minutes to breathe, sip tea, or hold your grounding stone. If you want a portable way to center at home, at work, or while traveling, our ritual kits and bath salts are created with intention to support sensitive minds and tender hearts. You'll find details and links below this video, but remember, you don't need anything fancy to begin. Your breath, a warm drink, a few minutes with your phone on silent, these are real rituals too. Thank you for taking this time with me today. You are worthy of calm, you are capable of peace, and you belong here in our DaSpiritual Bombs community. Please subscribe, share your journey in the comments, and join us for more healing rituals and soulful holiday crafts this season.